If you want to connect your POCO C85 to your computer in order to transfer files, what you can do is you can use a USB cable. In my case, I have my own cable that allows me to transfer files. But of course, in your case, you can use, for example, the same cable that you use for charging that you can find inside the box, I mean the original cable. In this case, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna connect our phone to our computer by using the cable. And of course, at first you will see that you are charging the phone, but after a couple of seconds, you should be able to find the information, the notification that you are charging your phone with the cable. If it doesn't appear, then you might want to disconnect and connect the phone to the computer again. There we go, this is how it looks like. So now we can tap on this option, charging this device via USB, and then you want to select File Transfer / Android Auto. After that, you can open your computer and you should be able to find POCO C85, where we have the access to the internal storage and of course the memory card if you have one inside your phone. And you should be able to access pretty much everything that you have on your phone, like video files, image files, and documents, music, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.